today my dad received his order from Samsung, which is earbuds. And from the title, you know what we are going to do. We will unbox this, and I'm very excited, a little scared at the same time, and a little happy at the same time because I got my milk tea. No, we're not going to drink it that. So I already have my scissors just in case we need them. And we have out my light there, which is a little blinding me. But yeah. I'm just gonna read this first. I don't actually use my phone that much because I use my iPad, and am I cutting the right thing? Okay, I think we have to cut those tapes at the bottom and the top. I already cut the top part though. Why is this hard? I need some. Hold on. I'm gotta be careful because I'm handling scissors. Come on. I can't like, what they call this? Oh my god. Oh, there. Yes! Oh. I finally got it cut. Oh my gosh. But I just finally got it cut here. Okay, finally, you see it. Life accomplishment is cutting the tape. Oh gosh. This is kind of hard. I can't cut it. Hold on, I'm just going to pause the video because I can't cut it. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. I'm back and my mom cut it already. So yeah, we're going to open this. There's no black. I wanted black actually, but it's alright. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. What's that? Oh, that's the manual. Alright. Scratch. Okay, we're going to read the manual first. This is how it looks like when you open it. And an empty cover with the manual, of course. So I'm gonna put this aside and I'm gonna read the manual. Don't usually read the manual that much because my mom and dad are the ones who read it. Oh, there's two. Quick start guide and the warranty card. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so I'm just reading quickly the quick start guide. So I will be seeing you again in a bit because I don't want you to wait for me to read all of this. So yeah, I'm already done reading not all the manuals, but I just read the basics. So time to open the Queen of Beauty, the package, the earbuds in the package. So wait, what's this? What's this rectangle thing? I think it's the charger. Hold on. Let's check. Okay, it opens like that. Oh yeah. It's the charger. It's a Type C. Okay, now that we're done unboxing the charger, time to open the one and only. And there's where they charge. That's where we use the charger, just in case it goes down. What's this? Okay, here it is. what's that sound by AKJ? AKJ. And it's from Samsung. Thank you, Samsung. And it's like opening a mirror. So these are the earbuds. Oh, so cool. It's so cool. It has indicated the left and the right earbuds so that they show. And then now I'm just going to get my mom's phone to check this out. And yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Hey guys, I got already my mom's phone, and then I already put the Bluetooth on, and then now it shows the Galaxy Bud Bluetooth pairing. So we will try it. I'm gonna put it on. How do we even put this on? How do we put this on? How do we put this? How do we put this? I'm confused on how to put this. Like how? How do we put this? I have one question. How? Wait, I'm gonna check the manuals. I didn't read. I don't read how to put. Okay, there. Finally, I found it. But it's in Japanese version. So I have to go to the English version because if I don't, I will not know what they're talking about. Right. First of all, you get there. Check. Oh, it's like that. Oh, it's like that. Okay. I didn't know actually. I'm so sorry. I do not. This is my first time having this actually. Okay, we're going to connect. We're going to connect. Okay, that was loud. Oh, it's downloading, and I don't know what that does. What does that mean? But I guess it means it's paired. Yeah. Okay, it's 99 already. It's 100. Is it done installing? Huh? Okay, continue. How to wear your earbuds. Okay, I'm just reading the things that are here. Okay, I'm all set. Finally. Finally use it. We're just going to Spotify. Just to try. Oh, that's cool. And then when you press it like once, it stops. And then look, hold on. Oh wow, that's so cool. Okay, I just experienced how it works, and it's actually really nice. And and how do I explain this? It's like at first it was hard to put here because like I do not know how it works or how to put it in your ear. I'm like clueless because this is my first time actually putting this on, and the sounds are really nice. Yeah, it's very nice. Thank you, Samsung, and thank you to my dad who bought this earbuds. Bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed my Galaxy Buds unboxing from Samsung. Bye.